how Oman and Mafia compact. And Tiwash recent games no bona. Oko 4-5-1. After we need 4 back in the free one of now. 4 back of Asibe Amufa, the Unya Mensa and Amankwa as the 4 back no. The next 5 years for this. Oba Collinson, Salim, Hussein, 2 so Abos Mess and Messing now Bomunya plus last game you started from Pong at the count Mamma 5 and Obo Hamza on Kwase. In recently now about 2 strikers. Obo Hamza plus either Diego no. But now I said Diego wasn't pulling. Until now acquire Hamza on Kwa, then he brings Salim behind Hamza. Then about former footers Muchi. And Claire said he wants to have control. That is Watare's style of football. Nidiana said, let me have control all my friends. Mamma for one in your choke. Sanabaya, whilst I have control, then they will dictate the pace of the game. Now on my but one thing I had disadvantage of this system is that you don't have natural wingers. It's unya team bia also best stretch you are in trouble. And team our best stretch on weeks one of them Ekoto because clearly Oguma have shown that the game no or rely on wingers to play. Saka the other typical winger. Then Wisdom Basi have shown the last game say yes. Then if Onumpona I would say yes on Shadanye typical winger and you know more that width no winger the more because he would like to come in more and on stretch it defenders on Sunday and natural winger would do no. And so I think say me now but and I was going through the house of game for my last 3 games, you know. It's clear say very clear how Ouattara wants to play his football. And we can wants to have control. To watch your money Dreams FC, if you watch your money Karela and so I wish your money so to remind Karela and that vision game now. Clear how Ouattara wants his team to play. And now we can watch it on paper. So all has team sheet to her, and all the Kotoko team to us here. You see, say in terms of names, the Kotoko team outweighs the House of Folk team in terms of names on the paper. No, all the lineup in there too. But what I have proven is that he and your names no here to get results. Into Oba Yana no say there be names now more team no. I say they don't know my House of Folk. I don't call 2 years no more with the names no. And you on bomb oh yeah, I say okay. I said, you know, my House of Folk. Was it 2 years? Not some names in the more arts area. And he came in and said, no. He thinks that he has to build a team for the future. And even if you struggle at the early stages and get it better going forward, he likes it. And you have about 5 players from lower division starting. They have a very slow start, but picking 10 points from their last 15. HL say it's a team that is improving from the start. Okay. And against Kotoko team that has just picked 3 points from their last 15. And it's Osha 2 teams, you know. Okay. The last 5 games, one is improving better than the other. But that win in Domano changes the narratives. Because Kotoko you know Domano. Like a game where no discussion about different any style. But that performance, not that you win, you win. But that performance, no. And said but to go to the man and have authority of the game. So you're discussing local news. To go to the man and have such authority over the Stars or the man and win no. HL say Ogum had it right, and that changes. Ochina Blay will be very key. I'm saying it again. If Blay gets his day, the Kotoko team will move.
Move now, okay, that. We'll move nature we'll win.
No, not win, but at least they will play better. Let me put it this way.
Okay.
Because the difference now out of the man yet because a place on label, but that play now then the bass no. He comes, yes, he comes everything down. So play a fitter that role he places better than anybody in Ghana here. Okay. And Ochina he will be very key if he gets that in a very good day. Or very key in that team. But come on, that Collins in that small boy now. Also, has Meford no 6 no. Aquana Takabuta Collins. And also no more younger. and a lot of energy. He tackles very well. Oh, mo follow no send me ya ono tackle na no jama Hussein ne asa mo no prepare ball no. So a game that I see inside them can say I more for win or draw. So for Kotoko I don't see
back on as a board dry in the most of you could feed these.
On don't be back. Almost be coffee din.
Back on say. Am I am at town in me?
Tama on Pedro no.
Don't ya no coffee din.
Pedro you.
That good as it. You. Yeah, we na fe I say back. Feel forms. You wait you.
Yeah, Samo. Give Kotoko ne Aduana game no. Omo line up. Camara in post. And Oko with Lord Amoa as right back. Esiedu as left back. Sambane Abro as two center backs. Justice Blay. And Obo Intimenu. And Obo Babayaya. No Obo Saka. And Obo Abetamoa. And Vinny.
Okay.
Vinny started.
General player, no, the Memphis also had intimate.
They say they say.
I'm not quite anymore.
Or on quite anymore. On this Obo more in a double pivot.
Okay.
Into two defensive midfielders almost shaded the center backs. Now, on say Kotoko Diana game no. Kotoko best game this season in the league. Ghana a league na bono. We team you need certain materials. And to be they are teams no more G League no. You were one positioner. Team be over G League be common with that team. Team be our G League we Ghana be one exceptional winger. Europa check way. Team be our G League we Ghana be one exceptional winger. Kotoko starting season no. So Saka mo no mo good. By Saka me ne ball na ma onye typical winger. Vini Mbappe a typical winger.
Predictable.
Yes, obey spandy play.
Obama abre.
So on the match, obey spandy play. Games are Kotoko abone this season. No reason why almost season in quarter said omo pen na say. Me share Kotoko ni Nations. Me share Kotoko ni Heart of Lions. Me share Kotoko ni Nsu Atreman. Me share Kotoko ni another game on board draw oboase. And I'm sure Kotoko ni bichim. Say opesa woni Kotoko tijina na no omo a. You need midfielders omo timi kutabo. Uhia midfielders amstutu omo betimi kutabo. Ubehia attackers omo betimi a press Kotoko defenders no. Say o press wo ma ablo no mistakes wo no.
Oh,
Me analyze it. Tell me we are
Oh, you know.
On say, and there is a communication problem between Ablon and Kamara. Once I cost to Kotoko this season, but so we here. Kotoko ne Nations go na Nations share no nipa bebre na no omobo player goalkeeper no say goalkeeper na mistake by time a goalkeeper na J ball no say goalkeeper no oje ball a na to pressure ba ne so a the first year obehwe e ne center backs so wo show mu na obi anyina ya eye team a mo person mo build there from the back no goalkeeper no next point is so obenya midfield or be withdraw when nya then problem will come. Because Muslims are coaches no. Oni no bobo oni sim. Na opponent ne je ball by attack no beko di goalkeeper na tem. Obeka sa wona wa amoa ama ye ball na ye ball no entimi anye dey anye. Eti these are some of the weakness of Kotoko team no. House of Folk on the other side. I show few games of House of Folk. Still, I think I'm a fan near Sibino. There is a problem. There is a problem. When it comes to exploiting weakness of defenders, Ghana Premier League, so be attacker na so exploit defenders weakness. Player why any year this season I'm who you Kotoko striker. on your friend is Amoa Abetamoa. So to very deadly. Ishmelado. Uye mistake anu apanisho. Uye mistake anu apanisho. It's nyan one say goals Asante Kotoko actually this season about 50-60% every on ho. So what she has team now, they try to overcrowd the midfield, not to give the opponent space. Or more wing play. Team are more wing play. I overcrowd the midfield no. The only way to play against them, when you saw one natural wingers, they can run. Nama midfielders and any defenders in the Tumrika. Tina make us on Kotoko side, where a Vini Junior game. Say me yogum and I may selection. Ede share has of focus na. Me ball list no, ede actually players na. Me starting from goalkeeping no. Vini Junior, measure that chinashe them. Onyani there Asante Kotoko benyo omude. But Osha has team now because of Moko with a lot of midfielders no. They also go for game control over the central part of the pitch. And Adia Bakwa Watara ya then say and he was getting it wrong. Zoto uye coacher. There be unya players to get results. Do kai time anone Salim unya problem am coach we. Sa Salim ne ball na obo no. Abrofo ball no obo. Try to encourage him because Salim ne find the fitter. And our system now obo na open say we control game no the central part of the pitch no. E betimi apeke. And Salim started to all pick up no. Look at results at Hasselhoff Enya. My room is a Hasselhoff last 3 games were away. So to among drop points. And the highest of almost 3 matches no more away against Mediama. See a Bogana Premier League na. Your venue be her. The second to Quaco share Diana. So Diana now we need league gamer. A chess over to renew away grounds be a. Oko Mediama now share Mediama Umuma. A chess over to renew away game. Ose. Oh, David. Made a same mama way, and a match teams in weakness, and a match teams in strength. So to the mission I see.
But the new just a Vini Junior Bona put in the
say Vini Junior starting game in Kotoko Beshas. Or starting game in Kotoko Beshas. Without Vini Junior starting the game, how the folk will control the midfield? Or when you good score line in the first half. Because of the shape of their team, Ombe carry them over by our sports stadium. Time for what am I say? What am I say? And I said maybe so we pray now. No, and I'm so I recover. Because they will need. Vini Junior na wisdom Fernando.
Yeah, me tia ni Vini Junior.
Only
player ba kwa. Wa kan
we no Mbappe. Because only me dey even wisdom there. And I say the moon you should din. First na players din. Wisdom Bassi.
Ose players are there.
First na man for you players din.
There's a player got to go players in Mobia din.
Full name no.
Ye ni Mobia.
Oh, okay.
So ni me ye di bia.
Okay.
Need a go ni me microphone ni.
You yeah we na
Edi mizoto
about na nye tutu. We are na area ba ni abo.
On say week him nyina makajo say between the two coaches. The pressure one so ahead of this game Yogum. The pressure one so ahead of this game Yogum, especially mizoto with technical changes kakra recently Kotoko. I don't even say even after Diana game no, yes the scoreline was good. But utieti Kotoko for na enye season no na sha sense na no mo hwe no. Omo nim some of the materials to perform better than the omuyi. It won say drew point bi ni need akon ote hey. Onya ogum kura akon ne de beyem.
No makumanze o oboasga no.
Oh no ba need akon na me hu no. Need akon na me hu no. Say yi ba akon na ekogina one na ejina ho no o ginger supporters na omo ni coach no. E dey say Adam hu. Ah wa ba. Adam hu. Boy David ba he is a supporter. Say no man ko ya eso oka. Onya na beka ho na beka. Eti dey na wo yes abrande na no anya bia na mo ye ya. Afa dey okọ adua na ye okọ hye yi. Em to se maka se ade ba akopɛ na save ogum job this season. Kotoko no mko obo ase no. Se ye kumase and na Kotoko bo mo league games and na sa results never ka supporters ne be pam no the ohun no bo ase no ko be share times 10 over by Sports Stadium.
Okay.
Our good record, especially as Kotoko coach against us. So on lose against us then.
Okay, as Kotoko coach.
I'm saying no can meaning the other clubs will lose, but Oba the 2 times Oba Kotoko lose against us for that.
Okay.
And he has a good record.
Good.
Obo
President Cup. As a
President Cup. Yeah. You dey no. I defend an event say. Gani you ne any Patrick Razak. Yeah, okay, some body. But league they soon losing against us. I know you one advantage. Bema boda. Yeah, can nyina kwa kushia no. How the two coaches who arrange their teams at the Babishia. And na match say Kotoko will need the speed of Wisdom Fernando Vini Jr. to open the house of folk, make food now to a choke.
Fernando,
yes.
Junior.
Watara. Call house training grounds. The wiki na me house of folk or more official page LX. And no more Thomas supporters and they say I want you obi anche the first 11 against Kotoko. Omo we no now we players omonya bulls do pa. Mse Benjamin Asare ne dey. Ba be key to house of folk team no. And they are there. Wrestling House of Folk makes a top quality goalkeeper. Even in difficult moments, obetimi anya a point at the amount in a game. And he has anya. Right back no. As a boy now few goal stars no. Yaya Draman no. Onunya the votes ahead of Emmanuel Amankwa. Left back ne dem say Ransford Mensah ne there. Obi ayo say Ransford Mensah. Center back no Samuel Amofa and no SCB. Collinson Theophilus and the defensive role. Sani Mohammed, Salim Adams, Hamza Isa, Hussein and Mauli Wayo. Obama Mauli Wayo any Hamza Isa. That means House will go with 2 top. 1 against 1. Samba beje bako. Na Abula beje bako. Then the 2 I'm not giving them my day.
Good. But what are conditions ever move yashe?
Oh yeah, said that.
Says our conditions now mad then it's a drawn game.
Yeah.
Oh, the way I knew I don't know.
Who say and I'm going to say House score 2 topper. A very problem Kotoko. That means omo best of Kotoko.
It depends on how you press. The 2 top
and Adiabako because House of Folk more with natural wingers no. Kotoko will need their fullbacks to join their midfield in the attack. So there will be more numbers.
Bravo.
Tama. Omo aye tactics.
Oh, net tactics.
Kotoko ni has matches. Tactics who we are not that. There are other things and also can be. Oh, say number for Busa, Tama has me back. Tama has of folk in town, but people don't
an analyst. The tactics now.
Me analyst me them in tactics.
When it comes to
Kotoko ni has yeah tactics ni we are there are other things. We normal on dimu no. What am get to answer? Who ko so ala ba ni bi? Tama Ochina okay my main can say me dey say Kotoko 2 na house 2 ofia
na Abbas way
Abbas o jinani mo
I don't know jinani mo
wonu nim ne oye Ochina game no goalkeepers will make mistakes, defenders will make mistakes, goals will come from this department.
And say be cool house.
Me Nkasa has keeper, and me Nkasa Kotoko keeper.
You make mistake.
Defenders will make, in fact, on goals will grab it.
Danger.
On go with my
Manchester supporters in the bar. I was actually Morin paper no training social studies.
Na omo kono no me koya na.
Tama, omo bebe mbe to bia ye ni di akiri.
And the wine be
Tama, I say me Nkasa we be share the but me say the possibilities of on goals high. I watch na game nim. Defenders ebe mistake I mean dey show high watch na game nim. Goalkeepers be committee elementary errors. Ebe nam so me dey show enso high watch na game nim. Mo fan to ho. Make kind omo mo nim so mbekọ kwa bonfire sesa no so mbekọ kwa dey no mo hu de ombeye but ya o maka mo 30 say wie no tama nkɔfo ayɛ normal pa.
One is strong.
Unim say Kotoko started working Baba Yara from Tuesday. But from Wednesday, the people now me no kase the bianco for that. In fact, enra kware na nansa de ohini kase bi pa akosra wo mo. Akoda wo mase bo ma baso mo musika. Say omo da ho saa no omo nye
Danger.
we mo house for no omo koso araba. Me say one ahomache and omo koso araba. Omo be enra 9:30 na omo fi ho. And I'm going to say you never find. I don't know how to say.
I'll go find some noise.
Then you find a coin. I didn't find a coin. I'm 5 for no some back Newtown. And the men we saw so many acquaintances so many uncle.
Newtown come here.
They have for some making
Newtown there, Accra.
Accra Newtown, some Accra Newtown. I want a spiritual home in New York. So in the house of folk, spiritual home in Accra Newtown. No one back home. I won't one young can easy when you're away. And Tama, Gameway, Musa says to be has one coupon pie man.
But for him, said, I can't no more come as a Abbas or Hannah Kobe. Was it democracy? No,
Kotoko 2021. That's the Ogum.
Oh,